9 Bahujan Samaj Party MLAs reportedly met with Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav this morning and are reportedly about to cross over to the rival camp in a shake-up bound to impact political equations ahead of the Uttar Pradesh election next year. BSP chief Mayawati had recently expelled these MLAs. The BSP won 19 seats in the 2017 Assembly election and lost one in a by-election. It currently has 18 MLAs in the Uttar Pradesh Assembly and Mayawati has expelled 11 in the last 4 years. The Delhi High Court today granted bail to Natasha Narwal and Devangana Kalita, who are members of women's rights group Pinjra Tod and Jamia Millia Islamia student Asif Iqbal Tanha, who were arrested in May 2020. They were charged with conspiracy under the Strict Unlawful Activities Prevention Act and denied bail by the trial court. The court noted, and I quote, "It seems that in its anxiety to suppress dissent in the mind of the state, the line between constitutionally guaranteed right to protest and terrorist activity seems to be getting somewhat blurred. If this mindset gains traction, it would be a sad day for democracy." The BJP's efforts to counter reports of the reverse migration of its leaders to Mamata Banerjee's Trinamool Congress in Bengal failed on Monday as a section of its MLAs stayed away from Shubhendu Adhikari's meeting with the governor. Adhikari, who is also the leader of opposition in the Bengal Assembly, met Governor Jagdeep Dhankar on Monday evening with a delegation of party MLAs. But 24 of the BJP's 74 MLAs failed to accompany him. This sparked speculation about the possibility of further reverse migration from the party. It also appears that not all MLAs were ready to accept Adhikari's leadership. Amidst a rebellion of the LJP leadership against Chirag Paswan, the Congress and RJD have offered him to join their respective parties to strengthen the opposition in Bihar. 5 of the LJP's 6 MPs met Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla on Sunday and submitted to him a written request to remove Chirag and appoint Pashupati Paras as the party's floor leader. 4 months after Indian and Chinese troops disengaged in Pangong Tso and 2 months after Corps Commander level talks failed to make headway on pullback of troops from other areas of eastern Ladakh, China has suggested negotiations at the level of division commanders, an offer that the Indian side is said to be considering. Division commander level talks involve teams headed by officers of the rank of Major General. This is different from the Corps commander level talks that involve more senior officers, lieutenant generals who head corps or equivalent formations. The Supreme Court on Monday ordered the closure of proceedings in India against 2 Italian Marines accused of killing 2 fishermen off the Kerala coast in February 2012. A vacation bench of Justices Indira Banerjee and M.R. Shah quashed the FIR and proceedings emanating from the case against the 2 Italian Marines, Massimiliano Latorre and Salvatore Giron. The bench said that as per the International Arbitral Award accepted by India, the Republic of Italy shall resume further investigations in the case.